Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eddie, and if you're looking to start a credit repair business or just recently started one, then this video is for you. So watch to the end, and also don't forget to smash that like button for me, as it does help with the YouTube algorithm. So first of all, who am I? My name is Eddie. I went ahead and started a credit repair company with my business partner in the beginning of 2020, kind of the end of 2019. So we were able to enroll clients, and a lot of the times, when we signed up to courses and classes, there were some things that we didn't understand at the time, and we still wanted to figure out how to do everything properly. So now that I've been creating videos and I've been telling people about credit repair, I've been getting a lot of notifications and DMs from people asking me the same questions over and over, just from different people. So I wanted to create this video and compile a list of the most important questions that most people ask me, and I hope that this will help you guys in your journey when you're first starting out, because this definitely would have helped us when we started our business. So again, don't forget to comment below, don't forget to smash the like button for me. I want to give this video out to as many people as I can, so if you guys do that for me, it will be greatly appreciated. So let's go ahead and continue. I'm going to go ahead and explain some of the questions and answers for you. Also guys, before I start, I just want to ask you, for the followers and subscribers that I'm currently getting, what are some videos that you guys want me to create, and what are some things or topics that you want me to start kind of working towards? I love to talk to the community. As you guys can see in my other videos, I do reply to almost every comment. So go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know if there's something that you guys need me to create a video on, whether it's on automations with your credit repair business, sales funnels, marketing. So yeah, let's go ahead and continue. So the first question that I always get is, do I really need credit repair cloud or any kind of credit repair software to start this business? And first of all, you guys don't need software in the beginning if you don't, whether you can afford it or you can't understand the process as of yet, and you just want to start working with clients on an individual basis. So you guys can start fixing friends and family's credit, using manual template letters, sending it out via mail, and just have like a Google spreadsheet or an Excel spreadsheet and keep it updated on a 30-day basis, because that's mostly when the credit bureaus respond. Now, the reason why I do recommend having credit repair software is because you guys get everything that you need in one software, which you can use your CRM system for, your automations, signing up the clients and getting them on credit monitoring service automatically, sending out the dispute letters in bulk, and that's what Credit Repair Cloud can do. You guys can use whatever software you want, but that's just the one that we've been using for over 1.5 years now. You guys can use Dispute Beat. I made a review video on them as well, which is a good credit repair software. You can use Credit Letters Generator. I think there's like Credit Monkey, and there's just so many different softwares you can use for this business, and it can get very overwhelming. But I always been stuck with Credit Repair Cloud, and I do enjoy them because of their software support and team. So yeah, I recommend that you guys do try the software. It is 30 days free, and you can work with as many clients and send out as many letters, or if you need help with your credit, you can do your own disputes and be your own testimonial. But you guys don't have to use software in the beginning. Now, the second question I get a lot of is, what if I don't have results to show or testimonials? And guys, that's completely okay. Everybody who started a business or a credit repair company doesn't have results to show in the beginning. That's why you guys can go ahead and get in contact with close family or friends or anyone on social media. Let them know that you're doing credit repair on a discounted price or for free, and you guys can go ahead and send out the disputes for them, keep them updated, tell them which credit builder cards to go on, and those people can be your results to show. After 30 to 45 days, once you get correspondence back or anything deleted off their credit report, that's your testimonial and results. And since you work for them for free or in a discounted price, you want to make sure that you ask them for a video testimonial so you guys can place that on your social media accounts, your website, business pages. And that's what we did. We were able to sign up about 5 clients in the first month, and I think about 3 of them were free. We were able to get them results, and we have had asked them to make a video for us for our company, and that seriously helped us out a lot because we were able to post that into different platforms, and people were to see that video, and then they hit us up because they were very excited. They know that it works, and that's the best way to basically get testimonials. So the third question is, where do we file for our LLC or our business owned corporation? So we did it very simple. We're very happy because I'm not sure where we found it, but basically we use Zen Business. Zen Business is a company that does all the document prep work for you. They send out the information, they update you on the correspondence, and they send you your entire incorporation information via mail. You don't have to do any of the work, and they even give you an agent, which comes included with your pricing, which we paid about $49 for them to do all the work. Unfortunately, since I live in California, we had to pay a humongous franchise fee, which I'm sure if you're from California, it sucks because most other states don't have these humongous fees that you need to pay for when it comes to credit repair. But anyways, the Zen Business was very helpful for us. They did everything for us and sent us all the documents via mail within 2 to 3 weeks. Now, one of the biggest questions that we get every single day is, how do we get our credit repair clients? So we do generate our leads many different ways, and we do have an advanced method and also just the regular way most people do it. So I'll go ahead and tell you about the advanced method at the end. But what we do right now is we get in contact with affiliates. So we get in contact with real estate agents, loan officers, car dealerships, and we get in contact with them via social media. And yes, we use Instagram to get these referrals. So we inform them that we are a credit repair company. We do have a professional page, and we inform them that we can take on their clients that don't get approved since they have bad credit, fix their credit score, and our affiliates have a portal that they can see their client results. And then we use that with Credit Repair Cloud. It is integrated inside of the software. So we are able to get these referrals based off of our affiliates. Now, we also do a lot of Instagram and Facebook marketing. So we get a lot of leads via our stories, and as well as IGTV and Instagram Reels or TikTok. So that really helps us out. And we do show the results and our clients' testimonials. So then we kind of do like 3 different types of messages for people. We first kind of tell them our services. Then the second video or post would be results or testimonials. Then the third video or post would be kind of like a personable post, and we inform them what we do, who we are, and why we do what we do. So another question that we get often is, should I really invest in courses or training like the Credit Repair Cloud's training or even other type of certifications? And guys, I completely recommend that you do sign up for some kind of training program, courses, or get a mentor in this space, because you're working with very sensitive information like this credit reports, and that's something that you don't want to mess with. I vouch that you shouldn't be working with people if you have no knowledge in the industry. You at least want to get some kind of training, some kind of dispute certification to start working with clients. Yes, you can get the 30-day free trial with Credit Repair Cloud and follow their exact steps, which is still great. But I do recommend that you do get some kind of training. I mean, again, you're working with very sensitive information like credit reports. And when I first started, I was already kind of in the credit repair space for over 4 years because I was working with a credit repair company at the time. And I also worked in the student loan industry in the debt relief. So I do have a knowledge and understanding in the space when it comes to advanced dispute methods. But if you guys are looking to get into some kind of training, I'm going to give you a shameless plug. So I recommend that you take the Credit Hero Challenge. It is $47, not that expensive for what you get. And I also have a bonus for the people that do sign up for the Credit Hero Challenge. So once you sign up for the Credit Hero Challenge in the link below, I will send out a bonus within 24 hours, which is a course I created for you guys can set up your branding, your business, how to set up your LLC, and everything that you need in that course. So I'll send that over to you via email. Now, if you guys are looking for like an established humongous course, the Credit Repair Cloud does have like a masterclass. It is a little pricey, but you get 6 months worth of Credit Repair Cloud, and you get a bunch of other things included with this. So I'll just link all that below in the description. Yes, I am an affiliate. Also, I want to be transparent with my viewers and anybody that asks me about this information, because I believe that transparency is the best. I don't think that any YouTuber or content creator should be hiding any information or how they make money as well. I do have about 4 passive income streams at the moment, and I am building that up because I believe that passive income is a great way to, live your daily life. And also I'm able to focus on my clients. I'm able to focus on creating content for you guys, and I'm able to create a better lifestyle for myself and for helping other people do the same. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if it's barely started your credit repair company and you want some other assistance. And I did recommend that you guys comment below, ask me if there's anything or any concerns that you may have with this business and you want to learn what you need to do next. I'm very happy to help, and I'll try to reply to every and all comments. See you guys in the next video. Also, if you guys have any questions on Credit Repair Cloud, I do have my review over here, and also for the Credit Hero Challenge review, I do have that over there as well. So go ahead and watch those videos. I'll see you guys on the next one.